How to log in or sign in to Metamask account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, bin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in or sign into Metamask account. Now you can easily log in or sign into Metamask account either on the web, the metamask.com, or on the wallet app, the Metamask blockchain wallet app. You can get it on your Play Store or App Store. Either ways, you can simply go ahead and head into it, and if you are on the app, you can open it up. On the web, you should be able to find the login or sign in option. So here it's asking me to log in. I'll just log in real quick here. But how you can log in, right? So what you'll get on your page is you'll get either to create the wallet or import the account. So you'll get this option, add new account or import account. If you haven't yet logged in, just on your home page, you can, if you already have an account, you can tap on import account and you can paste in your private key or type in your private key here, or scan or import, and then tap on import here. Or the other option is, if you haven't yet created account, you can tap on add new account and go ahead and add hardware wallet if you want, or create your wallet. It's pretty simple and easy. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.